Hey guys, it's your girl yorelisc and welcome back to my beauty space. Today's video is going to be a little different. I wanted to share with you guys a little fashion haul. Your girl went a little ham and did a little shopping. Well, I didn't go that ham, alright? I just bought a couple of things I saw on sale. I went shopping on Missguided, and honestly, I love Missguided so much. It's one of my favorite online shopping boutiques that you can go to. They always have a great sale. Their clothes are such high quality for such an affordable price. If you go online right now and there's no sale, if you wait 2-3 days, they always have a sale, like a 40% off, 50% off, sometimes 30, but most of the time it's either 40 or 50. And trust me, it is so worth it. Their shipping is actually not bad at all. Sometimes they even offer free shipping. I got 40% off and free shipping with these items. So if you want to learn what I got, then please keep on watching. And before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. Don't play yourself. I mean, I'm here with the glow up team, so come on, you should join us. Why not be down with the glow? You know what I'm saying? So let's get started. The first item I wanted to show you guys is this sweater. I got this off the shoulder sweater, and I really had liked the color of it a lot when I saw it online. And I just love that it's knitted, so I can pretty much wear this from winter into spring because it is off the shoulder, or you could put it on like this. I just like the way it fits me, and I still have the tag on. I just like the way it fits me. I think it flatters me a lot, especially that I have wide shoulders, so I like tops that like flatter me, that make me look smaller. And this is a size small to medium, and it's perfect because it just cuts me right here with my jeans, and I think it looks really nice. So the next item is this bodysuit. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of it. I just think it's super cute. I really love the color of this. I actually wore this to brunch, and I got a few compliments because honestly it just looked so good on me. I really like the way it looks on my upper body, especially, you know, your girl's working on her shoulders, you know, her muscles. So it looks really nice. I really like the deep V. I think it complements my chest really nice because, you know, your girl's doing her chest press. So I just think it overall really flattered my body really nicely, and I'm so happy I got this. I got a size US 8. So the next item here is this off the shoulder bodysuit. I don't know, I'm really into bodysuits. I just think that it looks really nice no matter what kind of body you have. I really like this. This is off the shoulder, like I said. I really like the material. That's why I really like Missguided, because their clothes are such high quality, and honestly it was a really good price. I got this for under $20. I really like how it fits me. It's a long sleeve, so you know I could still wear this into the spring. It does fit me a little big. I was actually kind of surprised how big it was, so I could have went down a size or two. So if you're gonna get this top, I recommend that you get it like a size or two down. This is a size US 8. I pretty much got everything in an 8. I don't know, I just think that it fit me a little too big. So, but it's still cute, and I did wear it in a tutorial. If you are following me on IG, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you don't, stop playing yourself and follow me, okay? So the next top, another bodysuit. It covers your whole butt. It's not like a thong. And I love the color of this. This looks so good. Even the model, when she had it on, I really liked it. I actually want to get more colors, just if they do have more colors. I like that it's basic, so I could pair it with a blazer or a jean jacket or a nice vest or something, you know? Like, it's just it's universal, you know? It's gonna look good no matter what. So all right, so the next top. This top is bomb.com. I love this top so much. I think it complements me so well, and I love the material of it. It's really nice. It's not like that itchy cheap material that sometimes clothes like this can look like. It can look really cheap and like poorly made, and like, no, you could tell that the inseam is really nice. They did a nice clean job. I really love the way this top looks on me. I like how you could tie it here. It does have buttons here on the side, which is a little hard to get on, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you know, put on a little bit of fashion tape if you want to hold everything together, or if you want to be a little puta, you know, just leave it out. But I would rock it like this with the right bra, obviously. This next top, this white top, I just really liked it when I saw it online, because I figured, oh, I'm really gonna need something, you know, that's gonna compliment me and it's gonna look nice and professional. Like, not professional, but like something really nice and elegant, I guess, to like go out in, because I don't really have any elegant clothes. All my clothes are straight up sweats, t-shirts, Timbs, sneakers. Like that's what I'm into. That's what I wear, you know what I'm saying? This is kind of giving me low-key. This is giving me like colonial time vibes, you know, like the founding fathers was wearing some shit like this when they came through, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know, I just really like it. And it's also giving me Christian Siriano. Have you guys watched Project Runway when he did his finale? He had like a lot of like whites and blouses and volume and all that stuff, so that's kind of giving me some of his vibes too, you know? So I really like it. I like that you can tie it here. I just like the sleeves. I like the sleeves a lot actually. And I just need to get the proper undergarments for it because like I said, I had lost a lot of weight, so and I continue to lose a lot of weight, so I do need to buy some new bras. Like everything just fits me huge now at this point. So your girl's gonna do a lot of shopping. There's gonna be a lot of fashion hauls, all right? I'm just saying it. So along with some nice blouses, I actually wanted a nice pair of black pants because I only have like one pair of black pants that are dressier, like that are not jeans. So I really like these. These are high-waisted and I like the belt detail on it. I just think that it adds something a little different to the look. I just think that it looks really nice. I could pair this with a pair of booties, or I could wear like a bodysuit, like maybe one of the bodysuits with it. And this last item is my favorite item out of everything. I love this freaking jacket. I mean, look how sick this jacket is. I mean, I just love the detail of it. I already wore it once and I can't wait to wear it again. It is super, super warm. I actually wore this on Christmas and it was brick. It was hella brick outside. It was like, I don't even know. It was probably like 30 degrees outside. I wore this and I was warm. And I just needed some gloves because my hands were cold. Because that's nothing new. My hands are always cold. So yeah, I really like the detail of it. And this was super affordable. I got this for like less than $100. I think it was like 50 or something like that. Such a good deal. I mean, let's be for real. It has really nice quality to it. And I'm here for it, you know? Like, I'm here for it. It comes in other colors. The tan one is sick. I love the tan one. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this because I do plan on doing a little more shopping. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.